Hi guys, I'm Watersea2 from uklocksport.co.uk. Got to be really quick with this video because I just tried to do a video a second ago and the battery ran out on my camera. Due to it going over 15 minutes, I've only got a small memory card in it, but that's the weight of the box. As you can see, it's from my fantastic friend Sonic on our UK Lock Sport forum. Sonic knows I like to collect vintage locks, so he gathers them every now and again and then sends me out a care package. This one is a Christmas present, so thank you so much, my friend. There's some newer locks in this and I'll get to that in a second or two. Just move it to one side 1 second. The vintage locks first. This one is a Hop Me. Can't read everything on the back. Made in Holland. It does have working keys and the lock does work. I'm not going to take the key out and operate it in the lock because it takes a bit of time to go through these locks. So that's the first one there. This one has no stamp on it. Lovely engraving. No key. This one is a Hemeth lock. Again, working keys. Not sure what the marking is there on the back. Somebody's obviously painted down at some point. That's the working key for that, and it does work. Put that to one side quickly. This has no working key, but I've actually got one of these in my collection. Different variation of lock, but what's stamped on the front is like a fox or a dog, sort of with its paws over a padlock, and that's sort of sprung tension there. Can't wait to add these to my collection. This is a small one, probably about 30-35 millimeters. Nice engraving, sort of fine engraving on there. Does have a working key, and that's the key. This one has sort of not got any engraving whatsoever. It's locked up. Trying to rush through these. Another one, small one with sort of markings and writing on the keyway around there, and it's a Caro LZ. This one is, well, it's got something stamped on the back. I don't know if it says Sergeant on there. I think it might say Sergeant. Not 100% sure because it's quite weathered and worn. Jeff Moss, you might be able to help me with that, or somebody else out there. Another lovely old lock with no brand sort of stamped on there. Lovely keyway. Like I say, I'm trying to rush through these guys, so I do apologise. Nice little brass padlock with almost like an anchor on the sort of keyway guard. It just says secure on one side and secure on the other. So thank you again, Pete, my friend, for these. You are an absolute diamond. This one's got like a tower engravement on it with a working key. Like I say, I do apologise, can't show all these working, but any requests I will show them working. I'm not sure if that says Germany at the bottom. I'd have to have sort of a look through a magnifying glass. Now this one with a tower on that looks sort of like that with the emblem. It says Berg on it. Germany departments. So can that be a Berger Factor vintage padlock? I have not got a clue. But it's another lovely lock. No stamps or brand names on that one. Now Pete also knows I like the ISO sort of Castle lockout padlocks, because Pete works on the oil rigs, and I've got a few of these that he sent me kindly for my collection. This one is a bit weathered up or rusted, maybe sea salt, etc. So it does open, but it's quite tight, but it does open clockwise and counterclockwise. That's another ISO lock made in England with a lovely chain on it. Again, another fantastic addition to my collection. That does only open one way. Pop that there. Now before I get onto the new locks, which are oval locks, this is outstanding, and it's a vintage boxed padlock, and it's an IDEM or IDEM, the leading safety padlock, D&LH or D and L, made in Germany. There's no working key with this, but it's in the original box. So that is going to be put in a very special place in my collection. Now these are all oval type cylinders. I think there's about 3 that are keyed alike. This is a Caesar, I can't remember which ones are keyed alike. There's one. Oh, there's an ASEC there, so that's sort of one lock. 2. Let's see if that's the keys for it. See, I did receive this package last week, but I could not do a video, so opened it and thought I'd do a video today. It's a Caesar, keys working. Union with keys. ASEC thumb turn with keys. Another ASEC. I think it could be the ASECs that are keyed alike, to be honest. I know there's 3 in here that are keyed alike. Another Union. Number stamps on the front. And another Caesar. Now, Pete's wishes with all these newer oval locks is that once I've picked these, I pass these on to members on our UK Lock Sport forum, newbies, or offer them in competitions, etc., which I will do once I've picked them. So thank you so much, Pete, my friend. You've outdone yourself again with these vintage padlocks. You are an absolute diamond, my friend. And once I've picked these, like I say, I'll pop them up on the forum at uklocksport.co.uk. Even though it's not a lock picking video. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal. And furthermore, it's Christmas Eve shortly, so I would just like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching, and again, please keep all your lock picking legal.